Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on YFII token. YFII token was breaking out this down channel but again re-entered the same channel, and in today's video we will analyze, is there any possibility that YFII will again break out this channel, or are we going to break down the support of the channel? But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to recall my previous trade setup of YFII that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 4th of August. That was a harmonic bullish reversal guard lane move that YFII formed on the 4-hour time frame chart. And by the way, before this, YFII formed another guard lane move that I also shared with my members at the Patreon. Let me show you first this move, and then I'll take you to the most recent one. And this was also another guard lane move. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line rallied very well from this potential reversal zone of the guard lane. By the way, this was a quite big pump from this potential reversal zone. We had a long spike to the downside, but did not break down this support, this potential reversal zone, and then we had a very massive pump. And this is the most recent one that I shared on 4th of August, a few days back. And this was another guard lane move on the 4-hour time frame chart, and you can see our buying zone was starting from $1,805 and goes to $1,760, and our sell targets were from $1,867 and goes to $1,933. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line pumped, and after this move, the price line moved here and hit the sell targets and again moved down. Now, if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then this was the down channel that I was showing you in my previous video. The price line was entered the channel here back in August 2021, and here in the month of May 2022, it broke down the support and formed a double bottom here, re-entered the channel, and finally broke out the channel here. But after that, after breaking out, it formed a double top here. Here we formed a double bottom, and here it formed a double top. And after forming the double top, it has re-entered the channel. So this time, but I am not expecting that the price line will break down the support after forming this double top, because if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here you can see we have a quite visible support, and this support zone starts from approximately $850 and goes to $950. And you can see whenever the price line is entering in this zone, it is getting bounced nicely. Like here it worked as a nice support, and now it is again working as a nice support. And on the weekly time frame chart, you can see that here we are having a quite clear if it will not break down this support, and I'm expecting that it can have another bounce from here. You can see even back here, back in November 2020, it has been working as a nice support, this support zone. And you can see that here we have a drop, and here we formed the left shoulder, here we have the head, and now we can have the right shoulder formation, and this is the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And for example, if we will break out this resistance of the inverse head and shoulder pattern, first you can see that the resistance is approximately at $2,300. And for example, if we will break out the resistance of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, then our imminent move can be quite big. That is $4,486. Now, if we take a look at the target of this down channel once again, even though we had a fake out here, we formed a double bottom and double top here, but still there is a chance that it will again break out, because there is an expected inverse head and shoulder pattern formation. It is quite completed, but you can see right now the right shoulder is likely to be completed. We have a drop at this very strong support, and if we will have another rally up to this resistance, then this head and shoulder pattern will be confirmed. And unless this low will be not lower than previous low, then this head of the inverse head and shoulder pattern, this pattern won't be invalidated, and we can still trade this pattern, but after the breakout, or at least after breaking out this resistance of the down channel. By the way, the target for this down channel will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $5,750. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.